Now, your NBC 10 First Alert weather.
And I'm First Alert meteorologist Steve Sosna here. Saturated and sunless. That has been our headline here for the better part of the last 9 days or so. And I want to walk you through that because if you've been feeling kind of energyless here and a little bit affected by the weather and the moods that you've been feeling, well, there's a good reason for that. We haven't seen a whole lot of sunshine around here. We've in fact seen measurable rainfall 8 out of the last 9 days. So it's not your imagination that you've needed the umbrella. In those 9 days, we've had 3.9 inches, which is about 1 8/10 of an inch above the average of what we would normally see. And 7 out of those 9 days, to make it even worse, have been overcast. So I think we're all ready for a little bit of vitamin D, a little sunshine. And indeed, I think we'll deliver that here. By Wednesday, it's a gray start, I think, but by afternoon, we get into the sunshine and temperatures into the lower 80s. Notice the average high is 77. We're going to do better than that this week. 84 on Thursday, 86 on Friday, and 86 on Saturday. And one thing to note with this forecast, the humidity levels with all these middle 80s is low. Certainly good news here when you get temperatures in the mid 80s. You don't want a lot of humidity. Live look outside in Philadelphia right now where the wind turbines have started to settle down a little bit there in South Philadelphia. And the reason why the winds have relaxed here. But the cool air is seeping into the area and it's making some headway now. 62 in the Lehigh Valley, 63 in many of our suburbs in Chester, Montgomery, Bucks County, 72 in Philadelphia, 68 in South Jersey. Into Philadelphia we go at this hour. Some of the warmer spots are in those urban areas, the heat island effect going on here. 72 at Graduate Hospital, but notice as you move up to the deciduous areas where all the trees are up across northwest Philadelphia, Andorra 66 and Chestnut Hill temperatures in the mid 60s there. 78 degrees tomorrow, sunshine, a good amount of it. 5:41 is at sunrise, by the way. 8:15 the sunset. We're about a month away from the summer solstice, so some of the longest days of the year are happening right now. Mid to upper 70s through most of our neighborhoods tomorrow. That's after a morning start around 60. The Jersey Shore, you'll stay in the 60s all day tomorrow with that wind in off the water. Some changes with the pollen. It got a little bit better. And I know when you see very high, you said, how does it get better than that? Well, it was extreme earlier. And the mulberry trees are the culprit with this. Grass, moderate levels of pollen there. No weed pollen, that's an improvement. But the mold count, if you suffer from mold, is very high from all the recent rains that we've had. Here's your 5-day outlook with the pollen. It's bad tomorrow. Tuesday with the showers, it's better. And then by the time we get into Wednesday, it starts to come back up here with the nice weather. And then Thursday through the rest of the week, it definitely looks like pollen will be a problem with us. So get your medication and stock up on it. It's going to be a rough stretch here for the next couple of days. Exclusive 10-day forecast. I'll step out of the way so you can see the full 10 days. 74 with those on and off showers on Tuesday. It's a kind of situation where you want to check back in with Bill and Brittany tomorrow morning at 4:30. They'll have the latest hour by hour. And again with Glenn and Tammy in the evening. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are the beautiful days, and Memorial Day weekend, I have to say, most of Saturday and Sunday look nice. We'll be tracking it. More storms possible on Memorial Day itself.